all blue.
Now you gotta do yoga. Good job.
See Tennessee? Yeah.
Now, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yep. It smells like my yoga studio. Like it smells like good and like minty and fresh. Don't put your face on it. Oh, gross. She just put her face on my hot yoga mat, which means it's full of sweat.
Now there's 2 in the world doing it.
Yeah.
You may just admit to Robbie and let him do it.
I will. And she's obsessed with turtles, and she's on a yoga mat. She's a mini Erin. It's mini Erin. How beautiful. Right back. Da 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 da. That was a fish. It bit your booty.
Oh, stop it.
Stop it. Ew, stop it.
Aaron, what do you want to play?
Wanna play? Get Liza! Come on! Ballerina. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Very classy. What a lady. Watch your ocean dance, Mom. You should sing too. What are you doing?
You're acting crazy.
Well, that's my sport.
What'd she say? He goes, you were acting crazy, and she goes, well, that's my sport. I'm proud of you. Do half tortoise. Okay. Hold your hands above your head. Sit on your knees. Sit up on your knees. Yeah. Now hold your hands above your head. Now lean all the way down to the ground.
Stretch out.
Good job. That's called the half tortoise. Good job. Are you pouting because you're going to bed?
What? I wanted to know if I could have that cookie.
How can we deny that? You can have it.
What?
You're gonna have another cook. How many stomachs do you have?
Unzipped. It has been unzipped all night. It's still unzipped. You're just gonna leave it that way?
I thought you just said what?
Aqua, good job. Bueno. Muy bien, chica.
Agua.
Agua frio, cold water.
What is y'all go Hans Schweigel?
Agua frio.
I got up to the other room
Ah,
and
sí.
Phil was nowhere to be found and the
Y
back door was wide open.
nosotros celebramos su... Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting the word. Geburtstag in German. Birthday is Geburtstag.
Hey guys, you gotta look at my cake when it comes over here. You gotta look at my cake when it comes over here, guys. You gotta look at it.
You guys aren't paying Liza the appropriate attention.
You gotta look at my cake when it comes over here.
Okay. Oh, we
It's
can't.
very, we got it from the bakery.
The French bakery.
Anyway, you pay against 3 other
Oh, la,
players,
la.
but I think you can also have people online if you want to play with them. Pays 10?
You sound like a strong man.
Smell like one, too.
Smell like one. You, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liza. Happy birthday to you. Well, I don't want to because that is apparently how I got in the situation where the tree fell on top of me in the first place. So, it's a rubber tree.
No, they're made of wood.
Like your brain.
Mine is more like happiness.
Yes, you are exactly right.